What does a possessed chicken lay? Deviled eggs. You're welcome.
Well, let's go see how the girls made out on their first night. Check this out. It's a homemade waterer. A friend of mine made it. It's pretty cool for the chickens. You just cut a bucket and order those little things on Amazon. Let's give it to the girls. Drinking. All right, so it's supposed to rain tonight and I don't have like a proper setup for them, just those bins still. So I went and bought a tarp. I'm gonna put this tarp over it for now, and we will build them something, obviously at some point. We'll build a proper coop for them, but until then I'll just at least give them a little bit of dry shelter from the rain that's coming. It's at least nice and warm out, so no worries there.
Well, they don't want to be.
They're yelling about it. So I just set a little bit of wood underneath their bin so that way it's not right directly on the ground. I'm gonna do it in this one, but there's a girl nesting, so I gotta lift her up and then Sam will put them under. All right, Sam just put them under, and look what's in the bin. Our very first egg on day one. You can get it, yep. Good job. Cool. Just gonna set up the same thing for under their water now. Oh, you're all right.
Better than it was.
Yeah.
Pretty random framing job. Okay.
This is chicken coop.
Yeah, exactly.
They're intrigued. I realize it's safe, not dying. It would definitely be good, yeah.
Or make it as square as possible. Eyeballing it.
Yeah.
good tiny house. So there I'll do the door.
Hi.
Not sure if that rock will be in the way. I think. Not sure if this rock. Come on now. Gee, Fred.
Just a hair too
big.
big.
Take the blade off it.
Our helpers. I do like those.
Holy smokes, it has
Still
taken
too
off.
I'm an idiot. Is the mallet still empty? Yeah, I can get it if you need it.
Oh, now, don't do that.
Sleeping in the doghouse tonight. That's built for him, not the chickens. There you go.
Not a bad spot. I can sleep in here.
Yeah. There you go. You're set. Your new bedroom.
Stuff. Two at 18 3/4, one at 25 and a half.
You want a hammer or something?
Yeah, very
Oh, sheesh, no, it's gone. Doesn't matter, does it? As long as it's there. It really doesn't matter where.
It'd be nice if it looked half decent. Now, how am I going to hold this?
You want me to hold it?
Or you put a screw in it.
Yeah. Okay, where's the screwdriver? I think you're gonna have to take a hair off this one. I would say so.
There, random piece. That works. I'll hold this for me.
What?
This piece up. See inside I put a cart.
Nice.
Yeah, they should like that.
Long one too.
What's that?
It's a pretty long one too.
Yeah, I think they'll like it.
Yeah.
That's that bar we bought earlier.
Yeah. I like it too.
It's pretty cool. So this will be a little door I'm going to do. This will be a door with, this will be the door with the hinge that we can reach in and grab eggs if they lay them.
Yeah.
This here I'm going to put just a door that you will slide it up and then drop it down.
Oh, nice.
So in the morning you can open it, hook it, so it's open for the day, and then at night you can just drop it. It's just cling. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So that's just for them. But then our door will be here.
Okay.
Should be
Cool.
cool.
Yeah.
Kind of a different coop, but I think it'll be nice. I'm just kind of building it out of my mind as I go. No plans. Same as our houses. Now I get this random angle piece here. Goes the way I did that. 32 5/8 up to 35. Kind of working with some scraps right now. That's why it's kind of random. Now 2 doors. There go 24. We got this little notch here that's really screwing it up. We have to freaking hammer that out with something. Cut a piece from there. Real quick. Okay, so what we got here. So we got some shavings in here. Got a perch up there for them. You got a little door that opens and closes. Right, if I can reach it. Give you an idea. See? You can pull it up and down. We got this man door here. We can shut so we can get in it. And then this is just hooked up right here. So you just grab this handle right there for now and pull it up, let them in, and let them out in the morning. But we're gonna let them in so we can perch them in here tonight and call it good. There goes one. We're all interested. Keep going so they all can go in.
It's so nice in there, isn't it? Oh, it's so nice and clean. Hey. Oh, hello.
They tried to go to sleep in their bins, so we threw their bins in there for now. Might just pull them out of it here in a minute, but we're easing them into it.
Yeah.
It's cool. It's another step towards it being a lot better. Hey?
Yeah.